What's up, guys? It's Saturday night here, and I'm in the office, right? But I'm feeling pretty good. I'm going to talk about a Bitcoin trade I'm in and where we could be going with BTC and using the ROmentum indicator for cryptos. It works on any instrument because it's volume based, right? So volume is volume. No matter how you go about it, you can't switch it up. You can't really change it. Nobody can hide it as much as the banks would like to. That's not going to happen. So same deal with this Bitcoin trade we're currently in. So if you look, let's just backtrack a little bit and go to the daily chart here. Now, I think, like, just looking at this, if it wasn't Bitcoin, I'd be like, dude, we are going much, much lower, because you can see we have this huge spike in volume. And now you can see, boy, it's draining out of here pretty fast. So I wouldn't get too crazy bullish on Bitcoin. I mean, but the thing is it's Bitcoin, right? So anything could happen. If I was looking at Euro USD and it looked like this, I'd be like, man, it's time to sell. But that's on a daily chart. That could happen. This could be like June or July before that happens. But nonetheless, I'm just trading it on a day-to-day basis. And here we are on the 4-hour chart. And you can see we had a nice big move to the downside here and starting to retrace and get a bit of a breakout. So I don't know how much this will materialize, but it's looks like we're headed much, at least to test these highs. I don't know, or the current liquidity pool where I have my take profit set, right? So this is where my TP is set from this high right here, which is was resistance, was support. This is a pretty significant zone, but trade already locked into profit here. And you can see here's our breakout point, big breakout up. And this is just a fake out move is what it is by the banks, I would say, or, it's also called a bull trap. And I could take a line from here to here along these fractals, and you can see we are riding it pretty nicely, and that's in correlation with the volume that's coming in, right? So I don't see much of a reason to get out of this, because if I go to, I've really been liking this 90-minute. It's a lot of fun. Here's the 4-hour. It's kind of hard to tell. Here's the 1-hour. Now, if we start to show a move lower here and price kept continuing up and showed some significant divergence that way on the hourly, then it would be a signal for me to get out of the trade. But one of the reasons why I created this is so I could hold trades longer. And not only just me, but my students that are in my accelerator group that I'm helping them get funded so they can hold their trades longer. Because, once you become a good trader, which most of the traders I work with are already great traders, but the problem is you start to get into some profit and you just want to keep it, secure the bag, because man, I don't know when the next trade's going to come along. So this is one of the reasons why I made it. So on the front end here, I'm thinking this is looking good for a take profit, which equals highs, which is about 58K, of course, knowing me and Bitcoin. And even though I just said it's so you could hold trades longer, if I get out here, it's probably going to go on to 80,000 or something like that. But here's the big move. Now you can see the cross here, cross there, and then a push higher. It's still, this identifies these big moves before they happen. Here's another one. This on a daily chart. Imagine if you got in on that, huh? Still kicking myself for not. And that was just back in January. So anyways, nothing you could do about the shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? So as of right now, this is looking good. Trades locked in profit. I'll probably secure a little bit of a bag here, take some off the table if we don't get past these highs. But this is how you can really use and utilize this super powerful indicator that we created to get some good profits from the market. Not just that, peace of mind and consistency for a change, and know that when you sit down, you can be confident that you can find another winning trade because you have a tool here that will give you alerts when these moves happen and shoot you a text so you can take them. So this is a fun little trade, and getting in on this trend here. And what's nice is that like this trend materialized with it being Bitcoin. You know, I was like, man, this could go much lower, but it's good to get in a trend. Hopefully at the start of it, you know, a third of the way into it, so you're not even trying to pick the bottoms, but you're riding the trend and getting in there and catching it at that dip. Buying the dip with the trend and is more often than not the safe way to do it. So hope you found this video helpful. Just looking at this, I think that this high is a good target, 61. If anything, 60K. Especially if we keep pushing higher here. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Click the link below to get this indicator and to become a part of our signal group, and even more so my academy. You can learn my strategies, and if you want to go on and have me mentor you to help you get funded, I'll do that too. So by the way, the signals and setups come free with this indicator as well. So hope you have an awesome weekend, everybody. Let's crush it next week. I'm super excited about the upcoming Forex week. So let's kill it tomorrow. Do your watch list, do your hit list, get ready for the week. Preparation is so important. It's probably the most important thing behind your mindset, which preparation falls in the mindset category, in my opinion. So thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate you. Click the link below, and I'll see you in our group. Peace.